Mamema Akwaba Ever Ghana and Sem TV GH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe. Turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, Usambekabi. Ebujan for opinion a friend Kwesi Pratt no. MPP for so ego ne so cry easy. Enye easy cry na. On say sometimes on the way politics becoming no, we are losing the very fabric, the very root of our politics. Sinna, what our politics was built on, no, that foundation no, is being lost, and it's because of introductions via aba politics more. I mean, before now, antisa, and you understand the people who do some of these things say, and you move forward and I say, and you move person, adia omuyenu sao. But maybe the replies that are coming. But obiti say, Papa Kwesi Pratt, mbekaya before now, debia, ye CPP ni. Na CPP for be brain so no, free CPP mo, ekoko for me NDC. And as a result, no be say NDC about buying when your mama buy way there. Obano, mama mu general secretary, nana ya jantwa. Mama no appointment because yenem say mu be brain na mo frɛ mo say me CPP for no. NDC agenda nana mo rane. Now no one has an issue with it. But the more mu keep it, kasa te say ebia mu ye neutral for mu na mo nya sanse ne obia asemba mu de mu nka no creda the tia MPP nkwa na mudwe ho no. The more you are allowing people to scrutinize you, the more when times come. Now on say Kwesi Pratt no ene u kasa and I say ene MPP NDC ababa mo no wuba yaman appointment. Kwesi Pratt uba no yaman appointment. One kasa Kwesi Pratt so sometimes say vice president to kwaya official state visits to Angola munyina no na wudi nechi. Why Kwesi Pratt no? And we all know say we are NDC ni. Why can't you just come forward, bring your face forward and accept say we are NDC ni? Why do you keep lying and hiding under the veil of neutrality? Yeah, say we neutral. You have never been a neutral, and you're not best at neutral. But we do not have an issue with it. Politics. But I didn't bold. Baboti Bekase, me, Kwesi Pratt, me NDC ni. I believe in NDC ideologies. And near NDC for Aba, I do so see all those and other stuff there. Kwesi Pratt Nyanka Sayo. And we are expecting you to come and talk. Ango Kwesi. We are expecting you to come and talk. Because we are for the time. And a long time, what be issue statement? And a long time, I bet na Metro TV. Kasa te say, won kwana nya say bi onya sama wotrim. Ene de won kasa.
But obia oya sa time ni mu no. Me before what be call me hwɛ sɛ nyame mu no kwa wo bɛka ya Rollins later days in office no tum sɛ na nyema nkoye kura wo tu sɛ na nyema ɛkɔ bad ayi iti mensa na mo ne wɔn asefo sika wo bedi wo memu me kwa me afi kosi botwe no time sika wo bedi no memu Rollins ankasa hu sɛ nkurɔfo apira no adan Rollins kwa Rollins be wu ka so ni NDC bi mu ɛni ti ɛhɔ no na me hu sɛ ɛyin fa na nkurɔfo do amanyi koyi na me ametwe me ho bɔkɔɔ me sɛ ɛyɛ wɔ yi na me de me propaganda ade anya kra na yɛse ɛyɛ me no Ghana fo nsu enyansa sɛ NDC fo e mu nsu enyansa sɛ ade anya mo nkasa nyɛ na ne NDC fo yɛ yi na nipa bitumi nya ahoɔden bɛgyina abɔnten sɛ ya ban na aba mo anya ɛkɔ so Ghana yi mo hwɛ a ani hwɛ yifa ani pa hwɛ yifa anipa hwɛ yifa kesa mutime klase na mo gye to mo sade amahama ne aban abayi ɛyɛ papa nti bɔkɔ so support sa aban yi wo hwɛ sa memu ya NDC fu na ka kyerɛ wɔ politicians NDC fu na ka kyerɛ so wɔn kyerɛ mo nya ɔyɛ politician ankasa so ɔno no yɛ the politics wo wɔ mo a wɔn atete wɔn politics mu wɔn fa so wɔn nyinaa wɔgu parliament wɔn no emu ayi wɔyɛ politicians wɔn administration no mo hwɛ sɛ ne esi kɔfa na mo hwɛ sɛ ahen na wɔyɛ politicians anaasɛ wɔyɛ politicians na Dr. Bawumia na me hu ina ne say bere papa no efi say o ma hu say akronfo na egu Ghana ho na hu say se Bawumia ba power sa loopholes ni na wo bokron fa mu no obesisi ni na edi ti no wo ma papa no kwa no ma ja ebi so ba obeti si sa kwen na re na nya ka do be brei obi a ho hye no se so be da bokron what wa wo sika beto wo fo so tetantan na wo kɔ yi sika akɔdi obi nke sɛ mekɔ mmea wɔ egɔ nti wɔn ahu sɛ papa de papa wa ɔde aburokyiri bɛka Ghana because of the system na ɛwɔ aburokyiri na ama Europe ho fo ho atɔ wɔn aborɔfo ho atɔ wɔn a wɔn biribiara ɛkɔ so wɔ ano nyinaa yɛ ba wɔ mmea ideas na ɔde ba ne nyinaa yɛ abroad nti wɔn ahu sɛ papa de ba ɔbɛ ayɛ nti wɔn ma yɛn kɔ so mbɔ futuru mu Ghana fo ani sɛ bɛyɛ a wɔbɛhu sɛ ba wɔ mmea is nothing. But one more to one time, Papa idea so the bayina. What is the trap over 20 years? Mammy or Bacasa as Sammy Bay. Shania Mammy a brush of water region. And where he around is square the party. Or no so of water region. And where he and around is here my water region. Student a piano water region for one of Bonfuta Bonisa, one to Abama runs in Abuja for one to runs a man, Abuja for one to runs Abba, and a yabai. Nyama mami ba popo so voter region. Emu ahe e na run se bai. Oye ma voter region fo. Na so what aba ma ndi se fo. Wahu. Enti nyama bi wo wa yan hwede nka no kore.
Yo.
Na ba wo mi ane de oba.
Yo.
Ye to so mienu. Kevin Taylor. Me gina se fi di kasi isu me ka Kevin Taylor se. Oti aburochi kuro mu ha. Na me hu se me nyo bia me kasa wo friends and platforms to say. Na hu se Kevin Taylor number 1 omu no ho. Number 2, on Paul crack Kevin Taylor. Yakase kurasinia. If you know was a Kevin Taylor or you kurasini papa. Or ya buanka such as say. O muno ho. Shasa utimi jina ho. So krom hanyente man was a brofi or utable Kevin Taylor. A brofi will be a son who because of Combiasum. Oh, can you ya? Obesi. What you mean, Jaka said? Dawamia years Amelia. Shabami o jina for you. Mami ayawo down for people. Na down for people. And then down for them now Samiria anka wo Bawumia pensa Kevin Taylor Samiria shop and go to yaw. What to make us wo Samaria draws mu free. Na wo Ghana anka be Samaria draws ama ade akyerɛ Ghana free na. Kevin Taylor and you me lady one. Search me. Me ma platform so me kasa. Search me what TikTok. Me say wo ya aboa kurasini. Search me. Na be face me. Me obi amenkasa. So to me oba besia, wo se Samaria, wo fa ma me. Wo se ni dross mu fi. Na wo Ghana, and oba be yi the dross at Ghana fi na. Kevin Taylor and then the one search me TikTok. Search what TikTok this family the one search me. Me say wo ya kwase ya prekope. Me the man yesi.
Ah, why you nini na? Why you nini na? Wama. Agro na yede. Na nyame so nhyira wo hwe we hu no kwe no.
Enyehi, wu Kevin Taylor, weja wo yiri gro ni o le pua we ya na si nsuo tantan mu. Omu dwale 1 week we. Wo ba honro na so ni na se wo horo. E be yes amira.
Jimmy Fo.
Chomo wase wa. Na more like ama yen wa. Bra Felix mpatwa du me so ana.
Edu so mama de. Mama de edu so.
Enwumre de madane alanche mate. Edu me so.
Edu so.
If I'm chomo amu wase ho mo like na mama view na kofom. Na on a 120 say madame of enwumre it is possible. Edi pass 7,000 the jinaso.
I was
Ready Yankopo. Me mama yina good evening.
Fire.
Me chia mu na hwe. And then you remember say me fe free ha me dey beba me point bi so kakra no bi nso abem bi because now it is possible mo ne adwuma pa wa be educate em pa acheche nwuma pa MPP aban be ye voter region and then part of Asante nyame hira me nuaba. Hwe nwumre me won kra bi kwakwa be ku wo ha tie me ye ma ye recording bi mese ne abrel Shamona say enra who trust page so akoka say nkwasiafo 6 million na ekoto abama NDC no enra na ohwehwe so wo Ashanti regional ko beba bebu kwakwa be komedi audio no me mebo wa ha me twen ba bia me no obehia mebo
Jamona,
ama yes
wusu kura.
ai enti ko police station bia e ben wo
No
na
Shamona.
ma
Baba
report
de
Ni bi say mo het for wa wontumi akọ ka be sita me say ka wo da hokra na be bop kokoko wanya oh what the MPP ni kan o si wa wo ye wa da kra ke ba be nwa no ko fo wa bop abo amane and so say as papa kan say obi adi se ma notice here and this ye bibia Ghana ni bia ye di ye so bia nkasa because omo darling ayi no omo doba no say minua ya minua wo kan ayi say vote omunya ayi omunya na ayi wo do opa ye beto ba ndc fon la ndc omu la ne amuru omusum
Obato amwan.
still yeah ye fom share binimu kom kuom ye muom ye nche obi abakra ntwa ne mene they will still vote for ndc they don't care. That's the answer because I said Ghana no ya fa say oba ba ko odobi onobi na de ono no wo bu no kwa no do no wa da wo ba bu no kwa ho na ne do eso na wo a wo pe no a wo siesie no wo ye ne ye no me so say mema ya go through this experience before oba bu a wo be ne ye wo be peja no wo be sana brabo still oba koma sabi wo kwa champagne a won mo pe brabo ebu no etiti no obesa koda oni nada sa na Ghana for ya fa MPP ni NDC
Obechi ni odo no kra sika sen akwa mana
because odo o tan yedro no bi tan wa no man Ghana for tan MPP ye Ghana for tan MPP o man notice ni ma bebre bia ye fa ni to form who per se who pa ayamu panya quiz say political party be pa na Ghana for tano MPP na ka say political party be no mo yankwase for mo do Ghana for kura they will still love them NDC that's the call who do me say ko mo choko e ko mo hye no school ko Ghana for dem o mo do NDC papa wo mo nya hwe e ma Ghana hwa me nua de nta makasa no say because obin can one policy NDC dia ba Ghana ni bia betu atren say was policy we boa me a aye NDC dia obi enu obenya bi dia nobody